Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, today we are talking about the Mseleku family. Now, first in the news, guys, first in the line is Indaba kaMakhwela and uMacele. So Makhwela posted on TikTok, and then this was her caption: rich in life because my man gave me the best sister wife. So Makwela is Musa Mseleku's fifth wife. I wanted to say last, but we never know if it's the last one. But she's the youngest and she's the fifth wife. And then Umacele is the first wife. So Umacele has been there for the fifth wife, Usamke. She has been supporting her, like she has been the one that is accepting of this whole situation. The other wives in abazingeni. So she posted just to say, with my man gave me the best sister wife. And then here, Sana, people were like, girl, it's gonna end in tears. Macele doesn't like you, akakuthandi. She is just trying to make the others jealous, Sana, because she knows that they don't want number five, uMakhumalo, uMangwabe, and uMayeni. So kuthiwa ke uMacele is just nje pretending to love uSamke so that the others can feel the pain in the chest, Sana. And uSamke was just responding to the comments nje ugirl azihlekela nje saying ukuthi, hi guys, you guys don't know mina nalo muntu lo si-close anazi nina. So abantu bathi she loves uSamke just to hurt uMakhumalo ngoba uyazi akamfuni. So Makhumalo and uSamke, there's a history nyana nje, they just don't get along, because they grew up in the same area. And now all of a sudden, when now you are dating my man, you are marrying my man, like hi bo. And then people are just saying, Kuti, wena hambu yobuza uMakhumalo. People are saying, go and ask Makhumalo what happened. So apparently, allegedly, Umacele also liked Umakhumalo when she got into the Mseleku family. They were all lovey-dovey. They used to be so close until Kesana shit hit the fan, until things fell apart. So now they don't even speak to each other. I don't know if maybe they managed to fix their issues, but on the last season they were not speaking to each other. Sana, they were not on speaking terms, and you could see Uguti it's burning, So people but no, girl, don't count your chickens before they hatch, Sana. And then on other news, Utirelo has been seen having fun with Umama Zalawake Umayeni. So Umayeni and Utirelo, they are very close, guys, and they have such a loving relationship. Utirelo is Mpumelelo Mseleku's what, baby mama or wife, somewhere makoti, but makoti wakamseleku, this is her ngamazaza. And then the green jersey laphayana is Umayeni, who is the mamazala. So people are just like they like it for her. They like it for her. They are saying that someone commented and said she will never trend for nonsense law. Haters can only hate, but this girl is disciplined. You see a video of her, she is working, busy with brands. They can say whatever about her, kodwa she is a sweetheart. And people commented under that comment, they replied, bavumelana nayo ukuthi she's such a sweetheart, man. Ugirl, she doesn't have drama and she has never ever trended for the wrong reasons, Unlike someone that we know that has been trending recently, Sana Nabo Zonzo, but I'm not gonna mention names. But nje, there's someone that has been trending for all the wrong reasons. Sana marrying uchef. And then after that chef, kwaba lobola, fake lobola, kwaba baby mama drama with the chef. Kwaba kuningi, guys. Kwaba kuningi. And then things started to pick up for her. She graduated. She got her apartment. Sisabheke lokho. Now, Casey Agazonzo, now she's trending for kissing guys in the club. I'm not going to mention names, guys. I don't want you to come for me in the comment section. But I'm just saying that she has never trended for the wrong reasons. Nami, I have to agree with that. Maybe for now, she has never trended for all the wrong reasons. But people are just saying Gucci, she is well behaved, man. She's well behaved and she has a loving relationship with Umama Zalawake. They even shoot campaigns together sometimes, you know. There's this campaign that they were shooting for a hair brand and it looked so, like, it looks so amazing. You can see Guti, there's a bond between these people. It's not just in G for the video that they were shooting for here. This was their video. They were shooting, I think it was Dark and Lovely, if I'm not mistaken. But it was such a nice video. You can see them, they are wearing matching outfits. They have such a loving relationship. They are Utirelona is also posting Umama Zalawake. You know, so far so good. I just hope nje it stays that way forever because sana, one thing about life, we confirm you can never confirm in life. And a lot of people are just saying, good girl, keep it that way, keep it that way. Try to avoid the drama, try just not to trend for all the wrong reasons. Just be yourself. Ungazami nje ukuzifaka-faka ey'ntweni because hey sana, the internet never forgets. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on my next one.